Hi guys, here we've got OPPO Reno 5Z, and let me show you how to add photo to contact. So at first, just open your phone dialer, then open the contact that you would like to add this profile picture to and select edit. Now just click on camera icon and select take a photo if someone is staying right in front of you and you wish to capture the picture right now, or choose photo from your gallery. Now just select the picture that you want to apply. Then you can customize it either via Photos or Crop Photo app. It's up to you. I will pick this one, and now just customize the picture as only you wish. Tap on Done and click on Save to apply the changes. So that's it. From now on, this picture is assigned to your contact, and anytime you will receive a phone call from this number, you will see this profile picture at first. So this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.